Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this video, we're going to learn how to fade in and fade out in Capcut PC here. So here is a simple project here. So I just drag and drop the footage here. And to fade out and to fade in. So first of all, we're going to learn how to fade in here. So suppose you want to fade in effect middle of here. So we're gonna go to the video, and if we scroll down, you'll find the option called opacity here. So for example, let's just say I want a fading effect in here. So you just have to choose the first frame here. And as you can see, there's a frame option. And if I just drag the timestamp here, and I want this much of the effect here, again, I'm going to choose the keyframe here, the timestamp. And I'm going to lower the opacity here. And now if I go back and play the video again, you can see there's a fade out option here. And if you want a fade in option, fade in like that, I have to just go to the keyframe again and drag this down opacity here. Sorry. And go to the next keyframe here and just turn on the opacity here. And if I play the video again, you can see this look like a fade in effect here. So this is how you can create any fade in and fade out effect in your video. Same goes for the text here. So for example, I have a text here. So if I want a fade in effect here, I just have to choose the text here. And if I go down, here's the opacity option. So I just have to choose a keyframe here. So just tap or click on add keyframe, and this will add a keyframe here. And what I'm going to do is I want a fade in. So lower the opacity to 0 and then play the video and then pause here and add another keyframe here and then higher the opacity again to the 100%. And if I play the video again here, as you can see here, you can see there's a fade in effect here. So if I want a fade out effect in this text here, for example, and the same as go for the choose the keyframe here and just lower the keyframe, and for the next keyframe, lower the keyframe in 0, and the next keyframe will be higher. Sorry, next keyframe will be higher to 100%. So if I play the video here, this will create a fade out effect. As you can see, the text here look like a fade out effect. So that's it, guys. This is how you can manually create any fade in or fade out effect in your footage or video here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and I'll be back with more Capcut tutorial and also other tutorial that will help you. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.